Vande Matram everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Vkclass. Today we learn about physical nature of matter. Once I was interacting with two students of different school about the nature of matter. One student replied, "Sir, nature of matter might be like wooden blocks." Another told, "Sir, it is maybe like particles of sand." So I told, let us perform an activity to decide about the nature of matter. That is activity 1.1. Take a 100 ml of beaker, fill half of the beaker with water and mark the level of water. Take some amount of salt or sugar. Dissolve the salt or sugar in beaker containing water with the help of glass rod. Now observe the level of the water in the beaker already marked. Is there any change? If no change, then what happened with salt or sugar dissolved in beaker of water? Where does it disappear? The conclusion of this activity is when we dissolve salt in water, the particles of salt get into the space between particles of matter. So we confirm the first physical nature of matter is made up of particles. If the particles of salt or sugar get settled into the spaces between particles of water, then there may be a question arise in our mind is how small are these particles of matter? To get answer for this question, we need to do one more activity, that is 1.2. Take 100 ml of water in a beaker, add 2 to 3 crystals of potassium permanganate and dissolve them in water. Then the water color changes to pink. Now take out nearby 10 ml of this water solution and put into another 90 ml of clear water. Again take 10 ml of water from second beaker to put into another 90 ml of clear water containing in beaker. Continue 5 to 8 times the same, diluting the solution with 90 ml of clear water taken in a beaker. Then observe, is the last beaker of water is still in pink color or is it a clear water? Your answer is, with every dilution the color of solution go on light pink color. So it is still pink color is visible. This experiment shows that just a few crystals of potassium permanganate can color a large volume of water, means nearby 1 liter. So we conclude that there must be a millions of tiny particles in just one crystals of potassium permanganate, which keep on dividing itself smaller and smaller particles. If you don't have potassium permanganate, instead that you can be done the same activity using Dettol solution. Here also the smell of Dettol detect even on repeated dilution. Then finally we got answer for the question, that is how small are the particles of matter? The answer is the particles of matter are very small, that they are small beyond our imagination. So we cannot imagine how the particles are small.